Hello friends, I am Satyam Tripathi from UIT RGP Bhopal. As a part of third year internship of seismic resistance building, today we are doing a seismic analysis on a building. Here is all the members which we drawn and applied the material property, seismic load, batten. You can see x direction, y direction, and this is the seismic zone factor according to Indian Standard 8093. This is you can see location in Bengaluru. We know Bengaluru in the location in zone 2. For zone 2, we see the table number 2. Okay. For the zone 2, we see the table number 2. Table number 2, which we check the point 1. In the point 1, seismic zone factor and response factor we have see hedged. Okay, you can see OMRF, ordinary moment RC frame. Then we can add wind and seismic load, and process is going on. Okay, it is going on, and now displacement pattern of the building huge. Then we can easily see moment factor. And now we have to design. We have to design the building. We can previously we can see the moment factor of the building, and now we have to design the building. It is started. The process has been started. It's going on. Now. Displacement pattern of the building. Then we can easily see moment factor, and now we have to design. It is started on. It is going on. You can see on the bottom. The progress is going on. Wait for the little time. Also wait for little time. The process might get some more time, depending on our system and model type be created. We can wait more little time. The process is going on. Wait a little time. You can see all the reinforcement detail in below. You can see the reinforcement detail on the report. You can generate a report by going to report project home. Okay, this is the report. In this report, you can get all the details and all the loads. Now we have designed the building by using response spectrum function. It is the second method of designing of building. This same building be out AFCE 710. It is called response spectrum function. You can see it is in the Indian Standard 800. Then we are going to rename. What is the name? Function name. Okay. Now add seismic zone factor, which is for Bangalore in zone 2. Now we are added response spectrum. Go to display and check to the acceleration unit. Check acceleration unit, which is mm per second square. Okay. Now go to load cases. New load case for response spectrum. Load case type also response spectrum. We are added applied loads. You can see on the screen. How can we find scale factor? The formula is given on the screen corner. You can see the formula of find scale factor. Okay. Next, analyze the building. We are going to off the wind. For dead and live bed, don't want to run, not run. Okay. Now we are running loads on the wind for response factor. Analysis is going on. Wait for little time. Just wait for little more time. Okay. Building is analyzed. Now we can designing the building. Building is designed now. You can see all the reinforcement details in this building. Now we are designing a building by third method. It is time history function method. the time history function method. In this method, all the details are modified. It is for the same building. Selected all the parameter for the time history function method and click OK. All the parameters are same, building are same, and change the details of the building, and the process is same, and the process is same. Okay.